Hello everyone, welcome to ALS Education Center. Today's topic is electric circuit. So let's get started. An electric circuit is a closed path along which electric current flows. Means an electric circuit is a closed path through which the current flows. It consists of a cell, a bulb and a connecting wire. Means it consists of a bulb, a cell and a wire. So the different components of electric circuit include an electric bulb, electric cell, bulb, wire and switches, as we have learned in the first. Drawing an electric circuit that consists of many elements become difficult. So if we draw the electric circuit with the elements, it became very difficult. So to make it easier, there is a symbol given to each of them. So let's have a diagram. So this is cell. This is what? Bulb. This is connecting wire. So this part is always in a plus, means positive one, and this one is always in negative one. So this wire is negative and this one is positive. So let's divide it the symbols. So here the electric components and this is symbol. Electric component is first is electric cell. So electric cell का हमारा जो symbol है वो ये है. In a symbol of electric cell, the positive terminal is represented by the long line and the small one is the negative line. This one is always denoted as plus and this one is always denoted as minus. So second is battery. The symbol given show a combination of two or more cells, means one cell is known as this, and if there is extra symbol of cells, so 1, 2 and 3, so this is what? Battery symbol. Now third is what? Wire. A straight line is used to denote the connecting wire in the circuit. So the straight line is used to what? Denote the wire one. So this is also done. Electric bulb. An electric bulb contains a filament, means a filament, see, that glows inside the bulb. So the M side current wire, means that M side one, that the middle one is denote the what? Filament of the electric bulb. This is also done. Now switch is on position. So it can be this also, it can be this also. When the two wires are connected, current flows through the circuit and it is in on position. When the two wires are connected, so that is what? On position. Now like this only, when the circuit is not connected, means the wire is not connected, so that is known as off position, means that is not the current is not flowing through that, so it is in off position. So a diagram that shows the arrangement of different components of the electric circuit with the help of their representative symbols is called what? Circuit diagrams. Means when we will draw the electric circuit through their respective symbols, so that is known as circuit diagram. Now let's learn it. When the switch is in on position, current flows through the circuit and it's said to be in a closed circuit. When the switch is on, so the current is flow through that wire, so that is known as closed circuit. And this is a switch on position through which the switch is in a on position and the current is flowing through it, and this is what? Cell symbol. Now the path of electric circuit is broken if the switch is in a off position. Now no current pass through the circuit and it is called an open circuit. Means this is diagram. So when the switch is on, switch is in off position, the current is not flowing through that because the current is cut in from this line. So and this is what? Cell again. So it is not it is not, no current is passed through that, so that is known as open circuit. So here our topic is finished and I hope you all have understood it very well, electric circuit. So bye, like and share with your friends. Bye, thank you.